everyone, I'm Pam Johansen, and I'm over the worldwide channel programs at BMC. Welcome, David McPherson.
Hi everyone.
And Alessandro Raffa.
Hi everyone.
David is our AVP of Value and Solution Engineering at BMC, and Alessandro Raffa is the Director of Value and Solution Engineering. These two gentlemen are chartered with getting our partners and pre-sales team members enabled through the pre-sales application, especially built for our BMC partners to enhance their skills. So let's get started. As a pre-sales leader and all the research out in the industry, what are you seeing, David?
Before I think we discuss what pre-sales does, I think first item we need to cover, Pam, is why have pre-sales? Why have pre-sales consultants? In a survey conducted by McKinsey & Company in 2015, it was found that companies with strong pre-sales capabilities consistently achieved win rates of 40 to 50% when it comes to new business and 80 to 90% when it comes to renewal business. They also found that investing in pre-sales can deliver 6 to 12% improvement in revenue and 10 to 20% improvement in the speed of moving prospects through the sales process, which is absolutely phenomenal. And then remember, at this time, most of the business was conducted in person and on premise. The pre-sales consultant would visit the customer, explain the product capabilities, demo these to many of the technical decision makers, and then prove these capabilities within the customer's infrastructure. Now, today, we're seeing a very different engagement model with our customers, which I know will significantly increase the value of the pre-sales role within any sales organization. Customers are doing a lot of the initial research themselves, as it's much easier to get access to the product to trial the main capabilities. This means that they already have a lot of technical knowledge about the capabilities before they engage with any pre-sales organization. The engagement typically then starts with a requests for greater insight into certain areas where they need more technical depth and understanding, or where they need capabilities or understand capability gaps that were not addressed within the trial or on the online documentation. The pre-sales consultants are being asked to start solutioning before they know much about the customer or the business outcome they are trying to achieve. Their job is therefore, in addition to becoming a trusted advisor, is to help the sales team uncover the business outcomes the executive buyer is trying to achieve, and then develop, demo, and prove, in many cases virtually, the best solution for both the technical team and their leadership, which can include multiple products, but must deliver a quick ROI to justify the purchase, adoption, and management of the solution. The task that Alessandro and I were given was to enable pre-sales consultants within our partners to become skilled and to excel in this exciting evolving role, selling BMC solutions.
Thanks, David. That is so important. Getting our pre-sales partner organizations moving towards an autonomous channel at BMC. David, can you discuss the partner pre-sales journey that you have been on supporting our partners?
No, the journey has been long. A long time before Jason Andrew, our CRO, BMC CRO, asked us to create and deliver a solution for skilling partner pre-sales consultants. Alessandro and I have been in pre-sales and pre-sales management for over 20 years, and much of that time has been spent using value-based selling methodologies to sell large enterprise software solutions. We are also, as I've just discussed, acutely aware of the changing sales processes adopted and used both within BMC and the market. And using this knowledge, we knew that we simply couldn't reuse all of the historical approaches that we've used for developing and enabling our own internal pre-sales teams. We needed to develop new, modern, and agile approaches that would scale and evolve to our partners globally as they ramp up the pre-sales role within their organizations. Now, the enablement supporting solutions and processes we have now developed have been so successful, we started to use them across our internal as well as external pre-sales teams, ensuring that everyone will benefit from this world-class pre-sales program.
So how are we going to enable our partners to address the needs of our customers along the buyer's journey?
Well, at a high level, there's three main resources that are included in the program. First of these is an online skills app that collects the current skills and then the goals for every pre-sales consultant who's been granted access to the application. The delta between the goals and the current skills identifies the required enablement and then helps BMC determine what the priorities are and if these are different geographically. So that's the first resource. The second is then are the learning paths, which provide the enablement content needed to get the pre-sales consultants to their requested skills levels. The learning paths include technical skills, soft skills, sales, process content, demo content, and much more to enable the contents to explain, demo, and prove each of the main solution areas. And then the last area or resource is getting access to the demo assets, such as scripts, videos, animations, and the ability to request demo environments that are additionally have additional support provided by the demo COE, should the consultants need any assistance during the delivery of the demo or want to make some enhancement requests based on it.
Thanks, David. It sounds like there's just 3 steps. So let's start with step 1. Alessandro, can you share the importance of step 1 for our partners? How long does it take? How does it support the overall process?
Yes, so thanks, Pam, for the question. So as David explained, step 1, which is skill assessment, is key both for partners and for BMC. For partner pre-sales, it will give them the chance to assess their skills, that is the current level of knowledge on each solution, set their goals, that is the level of expertise that they want to achieve on a specific area, and assign priorities to the enablement needed. Now, for BMC, this is also very important because it will give us a clear understanding of the current level of expertise of our partners, but it will also help us to prioritize the effort and the investment needed to support their development. Now, updating skills and goals within the app is really a very easy and straightforward task. The pre-sales just need to select one of the products, click on the skill level column, and then they can select from a drop menu the current skill level, the goal that they want to achieve, and the priority, and just save it. It requires probably a few minutes to go through the different solutions and update the information. And this can be done for all the products in a standard and consistent way. And this is one of the greatest value that we have been able to introduce thanks to this self-service application.
So Alessandro, that sounds pretty easy. So step 1. So let's go to step 2. This is where incredible value is found with learning paths for pre-sales. Can you share what is involved in step 2 for partners? How many courses are available? How often they're updated? Do pre-sales individuals get a badge?
Yeah, so let's start from the question that we tried to answer when we started this project. The question was how to create an easy way to map development goals to the enablement needed, keeping the process simple and easy to consume for partner pre-sales. And for this reason, we decided to create within the skill application a direct link to the enablement content available to achieve the level of expertise that pre-sales set in their goal. So from the same view where the pre-sales declare their skills, they can click on the goal, and the application will take them straight to the recommended learning path. That is the list of content and trainings that they need to complete to achieve that level of knowledge. Learning paths can be added to the planned learning, and the progress can be monitored through the app itself with a dashboard that we released. And as David explained, a learning path includes skill content for technical skills, soft skills, demo content, and much more to facilitate a pre-sales consultant ramp up to the explain, demo, and proof level on each of the main solutions. At the date, We released already learning paths for many of the top products in our portfolio, and we have a plan to release others with a quarterly cadence. And using the app, Presales can review their progress with a dashboard where they can see the current percentage of skills that they achieved in the different solution area, monitor the status of their development from both a learning path and single course perspective. And when a learning path is completed, the pre-sales will get a certificate of completion. And as next step, we are now working on the introduction of a badging process where pre-sales who completed the learning path will go through a path to test their knowledge in the field on a real case study and get an accreditation from our BMC experts.
Great, thanks, Alessandro. Step 2 sounds exactly what our partner pre-sales have been asking for. So let's talk about step 3, the new demo environment. Demo environment is a new approach. Can you tell us more about the new assets available for partners?
Sure. So delivering great demo is really the core activity of any pre-sales. And so for this reason, this is an area where we are investing a lot, both internally for our solution engineers and obviously for partner pre-sales as well. And as part of this program, we are providing partners with multiple assets dedicated to demo enablement, starting from content available in a value visualization landing page released to partner pre-sales. In this page, they can find all the pre-created demo assets, including demo videos, click-through presentations, and demo scripts that partner pre-sales can use to learn how to demo our technology. But also, we are providing the ability to request the demo environments through a portal available to all the partners registered into the program. And again, this is a very simple process thanks to a self-service approach where partner pre-sales can submit their demo request within the portal and get in touch with the BMC Demo Center of Excellence should they need assistance or make a demo enhancement request. Demo tenants are released on SaaS environments, so they are always updated to the latest product release and dedicated to the partner who requested them for a duration of 14 days and are obviously available for either self-enablement activities or customer-facing events.
Just 3 steps. That's incredible. So next steps, how does a partner get started? You know, to build an autonomous channel, our partners need to start the journey and continued learning. Our partners have felt like this was the missing link in getting enabled. So this pre-sales application is certainly the answer to develop our partner pre-sales individuals.
So like the other areas, Pam, this is also very easy to achieve. So the first step then is the partner organization must contact the partner manager to gain access to the program. And the partner manager then makes a request of the BMC's channel leaders to include this partner organization. And once approved, the partner pre-sales individuals must provide their name and the surname, email, role. So whether they're an end user or a manager and an end user if it's dual roles, and also provide a demo contact that actually, you know, typically this is a manager who approves access to the demo environment. So provide all of that information back to the partner manager, who then sends that information to the administrators of the app itself. And they've committed that they will have all of those details added into the app within 3 days. And once that's done, then an email is sent back to the partner pre-sales individual. And in that email, it provides a welcome to the application, all of the guidelines and PDFs that are required in order to get them up and running, and access to all of the content that we've discussed over the last 10 to 15 minutes. So very easy, very simple, and can be turned around in a matter of 3 days.
This is incredible. Thank you, David and Alessandro, for sharing the pre-sales application that provides an environment in 3 easy steps. What you developed in the pre-sales application is game-changing and certainly shares the content that our pre-sales organization receives. Partners, if you are interested in participating, reach out to your channel rep. Thanks for joining. See you next time.